So in this video, you learn how to use Gemini Live in Google AI Studio for real-time speech-to-speech translation. So you'll first head to your browser and search for Google AI Studio. Then click the official link, googleaistudio.google.com. From here, just click Get Started. And this is Google AI Studio interface. So Google AI Studio allows you to speak naturally and get instant translated voice output using AI-powered Gemini Live models. So you learn how to set up a live session, enable microphone access, and configure the system instruction for accurate real-time translation between languages like English, Swahili, Spanish, or French. So let's start the process. So first, I'll click Models. From here, click Real-Time. So real-time voice and video with Live API. And select the Gemini 3.5 Live Translate Preview. From here, you can click Talk. So I'll allow, while visiting this site, the microphone. So we've enabled the microphone. So next, let's agree.
He put the microphone.
So we'll first select my target language. So my target language will be, let's go for Spain. So just look for Spain, or let me go for Swedish and click Talk. So it's connecting to server, so I can say hello.
So, hey.
My name is Edwin. What's your name?
Jag heter Edwin. Vad heter du?
And you can see that the output is being translated accurately in real time.
Och
So I'll switch
du kan se att
the target language to Swahili. So first, I'll stop the stream. Click Clear the chat. From here, the target language will be English. So here is English. And click Talk. Naitwa Edwin Karanja.
My name is Edwin Karanja.
Unaona imekuwa translated to real time